What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. It is pretty early, not too early. It's only like 7:30, so that's not too early. But you see your boy just woke up. I had to rush down here to the Hollywood Highland Plaza as always. We're going over here to Foot Locker because there is an exclusive release that just dropped today. I seen it last second on the House of Hoops Instagram. So by the title, you guys already know what this is, but we just gonna chill out for a little bit. Nobody's here, I'm the only person. Right now I'm by Shoe Palace chilling, you know, just wasting some time because I got like 2.5 hours before Foot Locker opens, you feel me? So I'm just chilling, just wanna say good morning or good day to where you are. Good morning or good day to wherever you are in the universe. Smash the like button, share the video. You got dogs barking behind me. It's lit, it's Friday. Hopefully you have a great weekend. Without further ado, let's see what else happens today, you dig? As you see, I am here solo dolo. Hopefully you guys can hear me. There's a lot of traffic going on. But as you guys can see, there's nobody behind me, to the right or left of me. I'm the first person here. I'm sure a lot of people didn't even really know about this. This happened like late last night. So hopefully I'm able to score when they open up, you dig? Hey, bro. Thank you. So we got what we came for, right? You guys see it, and I got like a little surprise. So let me know what y'all think about these when we get to the house, you dig? Let me go ahead, need to go ahead and get my motherfucking knife out because there are some people looking like kind of crazy. So in case I gotta poke a nigga, you gotta poke somebody, you gotta be ready to do something. You gotta be active, you feel me? What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see in front of me, we talking about another Kyrie Day of the Dead. That is very dope shoe, paying homage to a 2006 SB favorite. Let me know what you guys think about these shoes. Of course, in the comment section, I asked that because I love the feedback and I want to know what you guys are thinking out there. Make sure you smash the like button. We're trying to get this video to like 500 likes, man. Smash the like button for your boy. And if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated on every single thing your boy Bossco drops, you dig? Without further ado, let's go ahead and open up this box. Okay, once again, shout out to everybody watching, everybody subscribed. We are like 46 on the way to 4,700 subscribers, and we have reached over 1 million channel views. Like I've said before, shout out to each and every one of you guys. I cannot thank you guys enough. Let me go ahead and open this up and not waste your time. These are pretty dope. This is gonna be my first time looking at them besides the pictures because I don't be checking the shoes at the shop just to, you know, get the full authentic reaction to the shoe. And this one's fire. So without further ado, man, y'all see it? Y'all can't see it. Y'all already know what it is. Why am I even playing with y'all, man? These things right here are bangers. Bangers. The Kyrie 4 Day of the Dead edition. He wore these last night in the game against OKC, if you guys did not catch the game. Very, very dope shoe. Did you guys like the SBs when they dropped in 06? Did you guys like this one? Did Nike and Kyrie and them do right by this shoe? Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Let me go ahead and get this other shoe out the box, you dig? Okay, let me, sheesh. Typical Kyrie box. Ain't nothing different about this thing right here. We're gonna put that on over here to the side real quick. I don't know, we're gonna put this down real quick. Okay, so we got the bad boys out the box. I wanna know your thoughts and opinions on these. Let's just take a second and let that thing breathe. Okay, it's a second. These things are fire in my opinion, bro. I want to know your true thoughts. Are these fire? Are these ugly? Some people might think these are trash. I couldn't see how you could do that, but these are dope. I'm not a fan of the Day of the Dead. Don't really know much about it, but I do know about the SBs that dropped in 06. I know a few of my friends owned a pair of those, and they were dope. And this right here is pretty much a basketball replica of it from the leather materials they used. On this tongue, they have the Nike on here looking similar to how the Nike is on the SB. The shoe is dope. Of course, we're going to get to the up close and personal highlights of these bad boys. and an on feet, because these are definitely a personal pair. Let me know what you guys think about these bad boys below in the comment section. Fire shoe, if you ask me, man. They did it right. They got the designs on here, the little skeletons from the cartoon. The inside is dope on the sole of the shoe, of course. What do you guys think about this outsole? It's like translucent, but it has orange. It has one of the skulls on the bottom of the shoe, if you guys can see that. Of course, we're gonna get up close and personal details, so you guys can check this out for yourself. On the back, it got like skeleton hands. On one tongue, it has the SB, you know, the Kyrie logo, but like in the SB form, if that makes any sense. And then they have the SB Nike logo right here. Well, not SB Nike, but the Nike logo that's on the SBs. You guys know what I'm talking about. These are fire though. Out of my opinion, I think these are pretty much one of the better colorways to come out. If I wanted to rate it from a 1 to 10, I mean, I have to like chill on them for a second. But these are like a 9, almost a 10 pretty much for me. I don't know what I would want to change on them. That's why I'm thinking, why wouldn't I call these a 10? I like the suede around here, around the toe. These are crazy. These are definitely for chill. I mean, I guess you can ball them in their basketball shoes. Kyrie wore them last night against OKC, but this is like a style. This is like a shoe you want to chill. Like, I don't know, man. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Let me open up one of these so I can get these outsoles or these insoles out. But let me know what you guys think about these shoes, man. They're crazy. The color combination, the back panel with the suede on it. Excuse me. The back panel with the leather on it. Then you have this Nike check with like almost a snakeskin material, looks like inside there. Nike swoosh kind of stitched in like I like on these shoes. The whole back panel is that SB look. The front part has the skulls all around it, which you guys can see, and you guys will get the closer look. Both sides, inside and outside of the shoe, are pretty similar. Black midsole. I'm loving this outsole. It's like a gel or like translucent, but it's like a dark color into orange. Then you have this zigzag. The zigzag is in purple to match the purple trim. Very, very dope shoe and creative. The suede panels on the back or the collar to the back of the shoe right there is fire. I mean, let me know what you guys think about the shoe. Is it fire or trash? What could they have done better on the shoe to maybe make it look more like the SB, or does it look like the SB enough to you? Let me see right here. I always have problems getting the outsoles out or the insoles out because I'm trying to be. I'm not gonna pull this thing out. It looks like it feels like it don't want to come out. Yeah, it's like stuck. It's stuck. But I'll show you guys, of course, the insoles. They're not stuck, but I guess you have to do more pulling on it. And I don't want to do that. But you guys can see it right there. And I will do, you know, more light on it so you guys can check it out on feet too. It's your boy Bossco. Thank you for your time and patience. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. You like this shoe. If you do any one of those things, smash the like button for your boy. Like I said, we're trying to get to like 500 likes. You got to aim high, man. 500 likes will help your boy out a lot. So if you see the video, you see the likes are low, or it's not what we're trying to get it to be, smash the like button for your boy. Without further ado, let's get to the highlights of these shoes and the on feet, you dig? So there you have it. That is the review. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it for the 50 millionth time. And of course, leave your feedback in the comment section. It's crazy. I just want to tell you really quick about the shoe, how I got it. Because I saw these on internet, on Instagram. But it was promoted as it was going to be like an overseas release only for some reason. And then like at 11 o'clock last night, I seen on the House of Hoops Instagram, Foot Locker House of Hoops, that these will be releasing at select House of Hoop locations. And the one I know about is the one you guys see me go to all the time, Hollywood and Highland. Shout out to everybody that was in line there getting their grind on. They also restocked on a gym, which I happened to scoop up. But they were some Jordan 1s, the fire, the court purple ones. But I was lucky, man, because I didn't know what was going to happen. But luckily I got there, I trusted my instinct, went down there, seen it on a launch locator, finally that they were going to be there for sure, and just got in line. I was there like 7 in the morning, as you guys might have seen in the beginning of the video. But yeah, man, the grind is on. We about to take it to another level, man. I'm trying to get more people to follow your boy and stay tuned to the channel. So without further ado, I'm out. Thank you for watching. Peace.